Hello, hi, I'm Mandy. Right, today I'm going to do another reading on the Donald Trump trials. I'm going to read about Michael Cohen. He's testifying today. So, what do the cards have to tell me? I've given them a good shuffle. And, let's see what the cards say. So anyway, before I do the reading, I want to read to you what I've pulled up on Google so that you'll understand what this is about, the reading. Michael Cohen was Donald Trump's fixer / lawyer, attorney. So here we go. Listen. What it says here is, Donald Trump's criminal hush money trial enters its 16th day on Monday, 13th of May in New York, with the potential for a bombshell testimony as his former fixer turned prosecution witness, Michael Cohen, is expected to take the stand. Cohen is core to the case against Trump, as he is accused of shuttling $130,000 to the adult film actor Stormy Daniels. I've already done a reading on Stormy Daniels. A few, actually, I think. Days before the 2016 election, in exchange for her silence about an sexual encounter with Trump 10 years prior. Prosecutors contend that Trump's repayment of Cohen in 2017 was criminal, and that he listed the reimbursement as legal expenses in financial documents. Indeed, Trump is charged with felony falsification of business records. The prosecution alleges that Trump, Cohen, and the longtime tabloid honcho David Pecker met at Trump Tower in 2015, shortly after the real estate magnate announced his presidential candidacy. Pecker testified in court that he had vowed to give them a warning about any damaging information about Trump. So that was the catch and kill scheme they had. Yeah. Kill it before it gets in, and then they would create fake news, and that's where the fake news came from. That Trump was fake news. So anyway, Cohen's expected testimony comes on the heels of a particularly hard trial week for Trump. Daniels testified nearly 2 days about her alleged liaison with Trump following a celebrity golf tournament in Lake Tahoe. So, I'll put that down there. And now that I've got you up to date, if you don't already know, you do now what's going on. So, let's ask the cards. Michael Cohen's testimony today. Tell me what the viewers want to see and what show me the cards I need to see. The viewers want to see. Tell me what I need to know. What the viewers need to know today on the 13th of May 2024. What can this card tell us about Michael Cohen's testimony today? Michael Cohen is giving testimony. Let's stack together. I've got someone working on my channel, so I said in my last video that I was going to change my channel, but I'm not now. I've realised what it is that's wrong. That was wrong with it. I uploaded music. I was in a group called the Stir Crazies, and we did some videos. You know, one for Christmas and stuff like that. And they had copyright, and my channel was nearly dead. So I had to get this. Well, he actually contacted me in my comment section, asking me if I wanted his help, and I said yeah. I said yes. We agreed a payment. I pay him every week, and oh, it's amazing what he's done with my channel. So he's called Suzanne. So what I'll do is I'll ask. Well, if you want, I'll ask him to put a link in the description below, and if anybody needs to contact him, they'll have his link in the description. Because he did say to me, could I mention him? And he's amazing. He's really, really amazing, and I trust him. And he's worked so hard on my channel. You know, I couldn't thank him enough. So check him out. The link will be in the description. He'll put it in there. Because he watches my videos anyway when I make them. Before he writes a description about it. So, you know. And he does my thumbnails. And he's really, really helped me. And, you know, I mean, I left my channel for a while. And I thought it was because I hadn't been using it. But it wasn't. It was because of the music. So I've deleted the music videos. And see how it goes. See how it goes. So don't forget to like and subscribe. Make sure you subscribe because I'm keeping this channel now. Mandy, Spiritual Tarot, and Mystic Oracles. Alright, I feel like I need to stop. Let's hope I did stop at the right one. Here we go. Looks like it. Right. No, it's deception and sneakiness. Okay. He has the intuition and knowledge, an inner voice he listens to, a higher power. He knows secrets. He's a keeper of secrets. With this, he's going to be releasing pain, which will help him to overcome depression, grief, and sadness. He will recover from the heartbreak, because he was like Trump's. He felt like Trump was like his dad, and he felt like he was a son to Trump, and Trump threw him under the bus and let him rot in jail. You know what I mean? So that's why we got to be joyful about what's happening to Trump. Do they take him down or do they take the devil down? An eye for an eye, in this word it counts, and I believe that. It counts, yeah. He's been repressing his emotions, he's been suppressing memories, but he's going to be releasing the pain, and he has secrets. He knows secrets, and he's going to be telling them. Because Trump is a brutal dictator. He's cold and controlling, right? So this is what's hanging over him. He's violent and ruthless. He lacks integrity and discipline. He's very judgmental. So, you know, Cohen might be a little bit worried about that. In the past, it was disappointing news, and it was wasted, a missed opportunity. You know, it was like, it's set him back. Of course it's set him back. Now he sees multiple possibilities and decisions being made. He's not going to be procrastinating anymore. He's going to speak his truth. This is an opportunity for him to speak his truth. And he needs to be focused and keep his direction. He feels like he lost himself a little bit. This has tied him up. He feels tied up. He can't move forward. He's balancing his money, ups and downs. He needs to adapt. There's been a lot of court. He's been in court a lot. He's, it's been going, well, not in court so much, but just trying to get his power back. Trump took his power. Everything. He lost it all. Lost it all. Of course he'd be feeling like that. Stressed. About money. And, juggling life. Right, this one is... He's been a bit of a show-off. He's been a bit over hyperactive with, saying too much, talking too much, because they were going to gag him. They were talking about that. It was in the news. Because he was saying too much and he needs to just hold it back and say it on the stand. Say it on the stand. To give that up and just say what you got to say on the stand. He fears abandonment. He doesn't want to be abandoned again. And chaos and disruption. He fears a sudden upheaval. He's worried. Worried that things could go tits up for him. Look, I should put my glasses back on again. Oh, silly me. Right. He was disloyal. Trump was disloyal and self-centered. It was like mean-spirited and dark magic. Here, I've got that. Things were ungrounded. See, others say this card represents Russia. No, I mean, they all say it, so it must do. Has he got some evidence on anything about Russia? So I've got the Empress. Right, and that's that card. After that card. Right. Mean-spirited and bear with me because I'm laying the cards down and then I'll put them all together and work it all out, what it says, what it's saying. He has to calm down. He has to be, because he's close-minded. He needs to calm himself down. He needs to ground himself. This is what the cards are saying it here. He needs to ground himself. He needs to be more laid back. Not so angry. Speak eloquently to the jury, to the prosecutor, or whatever, the cross-examiner, he has to keep his calm, stay grounded. Okay, because he's angry, and he needs to not be impulsive. So wait for when you're on the stand and then say what you've got to say, whereas and when you're asked, then you can say what you have to say. Because this will bring new relationships and love, and you have an emotional awakening. You'll feel joy, and you'll feel invigorated afterwards. And this will be your completion. Yeah? You will have had your chance to speak your truth, your day in court with Donald Trump. Reclaiming your power. Michael Cohen. You will reclaim your power because you were felt abandoned and neglected and disgraced and left out in the cold. You're going to come in and you're going to be focused, brave. You're going to be intellectual. You're going to go against the flow. You'll be assertive and defending your beliefs. Michael Cohen. I don't know if you can see that. Because you felt powerlessness when this happened to you. And you want to take your power back. And you're up against him. He took your power. And he's secret. He holds secrets. He's got secrets. You know his secrets. Michael Cohen knows his secrets. So you have to get yourself stable. Get over the disappointment. Stop focusing on the loss. Stop focusing on the loss. Just focus on what you got to do. The matter at hand. And then let it go. Just let it go. As soon as he says it, he has to let it go. He has to withdraw. And not compromise. Do not compromise. Do not drop your guard. Because there's trickery around it. Lies and theft. There's been underhandedness. Right? And manipulation. And cunning enemies. He's got cunning enemies. There will be a breakdown of this, a collapse. He will be able to let go. He's offloading his burdens. You got it here, look. Offloading his burdens. There was too much to carry. And then he's going to have good fortune, right? And it's karma and his destiny. And things are going to change. The cycles of life are going to change for the better. Because he has the wheel of fortune upright. Okay? So that's good news for Michael Cohen. Now what's on the bottom? Yeah. Trump was a bad investment. Trump was a bad investment, and he realises that now. Well, obviously he does. He went to prison for him. You know. It was excessive spending. He went and paid Stormy Daniels off, took out a mortgage for him, to Trump. He trusted him. Do you know what? I know what it's like to trust someone with money and lose it. And end up with nothing. You know? I get where he is coming from. Really, I do. It's because it was like a commitment and Trump broke it. He broke his commitment. Because he's greedy. This is stressful. Made him deeply unhappy and overwhelmed. And he's focusing on the past now. When he's on the stand, he's going to focus on the past. Get it all out. That's what that is, that one. He's going to look at everything that happened. He's going to tell about everything that happened. Right. And you'll get... This will pay off for him. He'll get a return of his investments eventually, now, in the end. And then he'll be able to walk away and withdraw with emotional strength, a search for the truth and happiness. So it didn't really tell us what was going to be said on the stand and stuff like that. I mean, it won't, will it? But what it's saying is how Michael Cohen felt betrayed, and how he's going to be able to release it all, and that negative energy gain and theft technique of Trump's, how he can sap someone of their energy and their power and just disempower them. Right? And lower their energy levels. Trump's a master at that. He's a master manipulator. And today, Michael Cohen is going to take his power back. He's going to take it back. Right? So that was a brilliant reading. I'll show you how many cards I used. See that? That's quite a few. That's like, oh, I've put this back up again. Half a pack. Half a deck. Oh, yeah. Nearly. I suppose it might be. So there you are. God bless him. Just stay grounded. Answer the questions that they ask. Honestly, truthfully. You know, he knows where all the bodies are buried, everything. He was like a son to Trump. Trump would probably do it to his own flesh and blood. If there was enough in it for him, I bet. People do. Believe me, they do. They'll throw their kids under the bus if it serves them. And they can watch their bank balance go up. Oh yeah. Not a very nice person, that Donald Trump. This is all like skew if. I don't know if it looks like that while I'm on. Let's have a look. I've just set this all up now. I've got a holder. There you go. There. So today's the day. Michael Cohen Testifies. Yay! Anyway. Until next time, if you like my content, like, subscribe, and leave a comment. You know, ask me a question that you want me to read on. You know, political or, you know, just inquire about how, you know, someone's getting on with, you know, how they're feeling about what's going on in the trials and if they're going to be successful, if their evidence is going to go down well, you know, how it's going to make them feel after they've given their evidence, and, you know, these are the things I can read about. So, you know, if you want me to read on anything, leave it in the comment section. Until next time, bye-bye.